Right now, since I fell several months ago, I have been bedridden and I'm in pain. I had a visit by my physical therapist and she brought me a device called the Red Circulating Trainer. She showed me how to use it lying down in my bed where I was less in pain. And I started using it, and I found that it was like pedaling on a bicycle, but lying down. And gradually, I started to get that feeling of being able to move again, and then the pain started to go away.
They're really liking it. They're feeling better every day. They're doing much better in their daily life, and that's all you can really ask for.
Almost like I'm working out in a gym, and that makes me feel good. So thank you, Red, for giving me this opportunity to get my life back.